Centerline landing gear doors ground operation. The centerline landing gear doors can be opened on the ground for servicing or inspection purposes. Some precautions have to be taken before the doors are opened. Ground safeties and centerline wheel chocks in place. Downlock safety pin in. In the cockpit, green hydraulic system depressurized. Landing gear control lever down. Outside again, make certain that the door's travel ranges are clear. Stand forward of the centerline gear door. Open the access panel of the door ground control handle. Disengage the safety pin. Push the locking lever of the handle. Rotate the handle to the open position. Centerline gear doors open by gravity. Lock the handle with the safety pin. Adjust the door position manually to ease the installation of the safety sleeve if necessary. Caution: the safety sleeves must be fitted on the door actuators immediately after the doors have been opened on the ground and before working in the gear well. After servicing, the doors can be closed. Here also some precautions have to be taken. In the cockpit, green hydraulic system depressurized. Landing gear control lever down. Landing gear freefall selectors off. On the ground, make certain that the ground door opening control handle is locked in the open position. Remove the safety sleeves from the centerline gear door actuators. Make certain that the door's travel ranges are cleared. In the cockpit, electrical external power on. Horn activated. Green hydraulic system pressurized. Landing gear circuit breakers in. Replace ground door opening control handle in the closed position. In the cockpit, check that the doors are up and locked.